What's up? I'm Eboni Chauntae. I am back with another video. This video is going to be the super glam look for Valentine's Day. If you guys did not see my soft glam version, I will link it down below so you guys can go check that out. So let's just jump right into it. You guys know I'm starting with the Bay. I love this palette. I need to go makeup shopping. I'm going to go this weekend. But for right now, this is gonna be the Bay. So let's just start out with a transition shade. I'm gonna take this like burnt orange color, just like that right there. All right, you guys, so here is where the video gets kind of, you know, so I sped through this part because this is just me adding the black. I started out wanting to do a halo eye, but you'll see in the next clip how I don't even keep the halo eye. But this is me applying the glitter, applying the black eyeshadow. I'm going to show you guys all of that, but in the next clip my eye is going to be totally different. So I just wanted to let you guys know. And but I still wanted to show you guys the steps that I did for the black eyeshadow. Be very careful when using black eyeshadow because it's such a dark color, it's such a bold color, it can build up very quickly. So just use little by little and just build it up, you know, little by little. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I just wanted to come through and say that. Alright guys, I'm back. As you can see, both eyes are done. I'm really happy with it. All I'm gonna do now is take that clean blending brush and just, not on camera. So right now what I'm gonna do is just apply my lashes. Okay. Now letting that dry. Now what we're gonna do is prime the face. We're going in with Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Okay, foundation is on. Then you guys already know, taking my fave powder by far. Before I open it, taking Maybelline Fit Me the loose powder, and I'm just going to take my unicorn. It's a good miss because I'm looking real powdery right now. Now I'm going in with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the color Molten Gold, and we're just gonna, you know, oh my God, look at that. My two lip combos. This is the NYX Lingerie in the color Beauty Mark. And then this is just a regular, this is called Suede. So I'm just gonna take this. Now I'm gonna take the Suede color. I'm gonna take some clear gloss. Hey you guys, that's the end of this super Valentine's glam tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.